Alright, so to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I don't know if you see the internet, but if you are not seeing the internet, I've been going through the internet, right? First things first, they actually wish that it was you that buy instead of Buhari. Now when you come buy before Buhari, they are praying that you will be the next to buy. Now let me tell you the craziest part. If you even buy, what they will do to your corpse will be worse than what they are doing to Buhari's corpse. They're going to insult your corpse, you're not going to rest in peace. Why? Because of how you are ruling the country. As a matter of fact, some people actually preferred that they bring Buhari back instead of you. And if you remember, Buhari was one of the most insulted presidents because of hardship. But when you came in, your hardship even doubled Buhari on. A lot of policies that were introduced was not even favorable to the people. Your regime is so bad.
Oh, I don't know whether VDM you've become Homer, Socrates, or Aristotle. No, you are now a philosopher. Listen, I don't know what came over you and why you've chosen to mingle with a certain crowd. But I can tell you, that same crowd, there is nothing they touched they did not ruin. Yeah, they ruined their leader, they ruined answers, and you are in there. They ruined OB2. Now, you are beginning to sound like them. You are from, I know your place very well. In fact, I have someone I know currently that is from there. You didn't come from a place where they talk to elders as they wish, and you grew up in the north, according to you. So I didn't expect you to descend that low. I will tell you this. The same body you are insulting, play it how you want to play. Oh, some people some people no. We know all those things, just like using allegedly or whatever. Yeah. Legally, you are not making a direct statement. But as people who are not fools, we know exactly what you are doing, and my message to you is to stop. This is not a warning. Consider it a message and admonition from an elder. Elder by age, elder by street. You may concentrate on your celebrity gossip. You know, these days you move around with lots of celebrities, and I mean entertainment people. I don't know what that word celebrity means these days. Maybe you concentrate on that. This same Buhari you are insulting his memory right now is the same person for whom, when you had issues with those girls when he was president, if not that he was in power, you would have received it hot, and maybe most of the people that are following you now, including your current praise singers, may not be able to know you. They wouldn't even get to the level of knowing who you are. I don't know the people advising you now. I don't know who you are listening to. But remember when your platform was little and you had that problem, remember who spoke for you and who threatened a protest and who was in power that made it impossible for those girls to use those they know to do anything to you. But the chicken has forgotten who took care of it during the rainy season. It's this same man. You and Sheikh Tinubu can have your problems, now your mates, now youth like you, now you do it. You are free to weigh in on political matters as a Nigerian, but do it within the bounds of reasoning, common sense, so people who genuinely love you don't begin to despise you. sounding like these people, you know, the people I'm talking about, may make you feel nice for the moment, but eventually it's a net loss, not profit. Retrace your steps. Retrace your steps. This is not what's expected of someone that holds himself as an example to youth. The youth may not understand it now, but as time goes on, they will get it. You want to talk about policies? Talk about policies, but make sure you are well informed. Don't join the bandwagon and disrespect the memory of a dead man. This is a man that both of you share the same background. He was a nobody, his parents were nobodies compared to where he got to, and compared to where you were probably 3 years, 4 years ago. You didn't know you would be there. So be gracious, be thankful. Nobody will bridle your speech. Nobody will tell you not to say things that you believe to be true. But be very, very careful. You are not treading waters that may engulf you. By engulfing you, I mean the intelligent and smart people around you. If they've not told you yet, man, you don't have intelligent and smart people around you. I don't know if someone is putting you up for this or you are doing it yourself. I don't think someone is putting you up for this. But I think it's validation. It may make you feel good now, 6 months from now, even 3 months from now. How would it look on you? How would it look on your resume? If you want to listen, you listen. As for the idiots that have infiltrated your movement, remember you can't write rattle without rat. Do not follow the rat within your rattle. Take it as an advice from an older brother. See you.